Hello guys, welcome back again on my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Prince Tangod, and this is a segment of my YouTube where I come on every weekend to analyze the market, to show you guys a trade we took within the week, the one that hit our take profit, stop loss, break even. And this week has been a very profitable week for us. The previous week we took losses, and this week we were able to make those losses back, and we are even in profit. So I'm going to take you guys through all my trade I took this week. I only took 2 trades this week. One hit my full take profit, and the other one hit my first take profit, then retrace back to my break even. So I'm going to take you guys through to all these trades, and also I have other setup for you guys that we are going to trade upper week, which is a new month. All right, let's start this our trading with the dollar index. That's how I normally do it. I come on and I check what's happening with the dollar index before we can be able to dive into other currency pair. So previously I have been analyzing this dollar index, and I told you guys that the dollar is bearish. I have come to confirm the thing. The dollar have came here to break here and retest back, and this month, this is how this candle is going to end this month, to show that we are still bearish. So this is the weekly time frame. As you can see, the weekly came and test this level back, and it dropped with this long engulfing candle that is here. So the dollar index is bearish. So the first trade I took this week was on AUDCHF. As you guys can see on the weekly time frame, I was spotting this level. This is where the market came and then retraces back. I was just looking at this level, and I start to see a rejection off from that level. On the weekly time frame, you can see it. You can see that candlestick pattern. Let me zoom in so you guys can see it very well. You can see this shooting star flow with this spin bar and this engulfing candle that is here. This is how I just knew that the market is about to go to the downside. Then scale down to 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, the market has came to break below and testing this level back. This is on the daily time frame, so not 1 hour. On the daily time frame, the market has came to break this level with a bearish engulfing candle and test this level back. Now after testing that level, I start to reject off from that level, and I don't take my trade on the daily time frame. I scale down to the 4 hour time frame so that the picture will be more clearer to me. So this is where the market retraces back. I was expecting the market to just close around this area, but the move was so huge, so I could not enter with this long engulfing candle. So I was just waiting for the market, to just come back and retraces small before I could be able to enter the market, because I know that in every big move there must be a retracement, because people or the day traders will start to take their profit around this area, and the market will now start to consolidate to the upside. I know that this is going to happen. I have watched it, I have seen it happen a couple of times, so I waited patiently for it to happen. It came back to this level, and it now closed below with a bearish engulfing candle. So I now waited for it to close. After closing, I saw it, like when I checked my chart, I saw that the market was trading around this area. I entered a sell, and I also post it on my Telegram channel. You can also go to my Telegram channel. I will drop the link in the description of this video. You can go there and check all this trade that I'm talking about. I always post my trade at entry point. I don't post it before I have entered it, or immediately I enter the trade. I post it to my Telegram channel there, and people are also trading it. So immediately I enter the trade, this green line here was my first level target, my first TP. So the market came here, hit it, and closed above it. That's when I know that this market might not continue to the downside. I was still holding it. I moved all my top loss to break even, and the market came and hit me on a break even. And the second and the last trade I took this week was on GBPCAD. This one was the trade that I took. It was so fast, it moved so fast. I was watching this market for a couple of weeks now. The market has been consolidating around this area. If we go to the weekly time frame, let's start from there. The weekly time frame, the market is forming like something double top. The market has been forming this double top for a long time, and I know that all this rejection pattern that is forming, all this rejection candlestick, that the market is about to drop. So I scale down to the daily time frame. Same thing here on the daily time frame. Oh, sorry, let me. So on the daily time frame, let's go back to the daily time frame. The market was trading around this area, and I also spotted a double top at the daily time frame, and market was rejecting off from that level. I know that it will soon drop, so I scaled down to the 4 hours time frame to refine my entry before I could be able to enter this market. So I don't know where this level is, but let me just remove all these things. So I scaled down to my 4-hour time frame, and I was waiting for it to shift structure, and the market start giving me something like lower high and lower. This is a lower high, lower low, lower high. Then I know that the market is going to turn from this side. It's going to continue to the downside. My first level target was around this area. Then my full TP was around here, so the market came and hit my TP straight forward. You can also go and check on my Telegram channel. All these things are there. All the whole trade I took, they are also there. So the next trade I will analyze last week was on Euro USD. Euro USD, I told you guys that I'm not interested in Euro USD. If we can come to this level on, yeah, we came to there. I was waiting for Euro USD on this level so we can be able to revert to the upside, but Euro USD, I'm not seeing a clear entry on Euro USD yet. We are bullish on Euro USD, but I can't see an entry to enter the bullish trend yet. So the next trade is on EuroCAD. EuroCAD, I have been analyzing this market for, if not a month now. This market has been consolidating, and I believe that it will break to the downside. So on EuroCAD, I am still bearish, just waiting for more confirmation to enter the market. This is inside a range. I can't be trading inside the range. I'm waiting for the market to break out, retest back to this level, then drop. The next one is on NZDCHF. NZDCHF, I was expecting it to reject from this level, but it came back inside this range again, so I wasn't able to trade NZDCHF within the week. The next trade was on USDCHF. USDCHF was also inside a range. I was not able to trade it. I was still waiting for it to break out from this range before I could be able to trade it. And the trade that I have, the new analysis I had now is on GBPCHF. Let's go to the weekly time frame. Let's see what's happening now on GBPCHF. This is a weekly time frame. As you guys can see, the market broke out from this range. The market has been ranging for some times around this level. It has been ranging, so the market broke out from the range. Now is retesting back. It tested this back, and now it started to move to the downside. So I'm waiting for it to clear this level. You can see that the weekly time frame is bearish. This is a previous lower high, this is a current lower high, and this is a lower low. Then if we go to a daily time frame to refine our entry more, we can see on a daily time frame that the market is giving us double top, and the rules of double top state that we have to wait for the market to break the neckline before we can be able to confirm that this is a double top. So I'm waiting patiently. By next week I will be watching out for this market. I will want to see something like let the market break below it. If I could be able to trade this market, have to break below. After breaking below, test to this level back, then we can be able to drop all the way to the downside. So guys, this is my setup for the week. My number one first setup for the week is on GBPCHF. I'll be watching out for this market, I'll be looking out for it. And the last one is on NZDCHF. The NZDCHF is ranging. You can see on this daily time frame that the ranging, I don't know whether it's forming head and shoulder pattern, but the head and shoulder pattern is not that clear. But all I know that this is the neckline, and if this market break below this neckline and 30 c's back, we'll just have a sell entry. And all these trade that I'm just analyzing, I will also post it on my Telegram channel. So I want you guys to hit the subscribe button, follow me, subscribe to my Telegram channel if you want to be joining me to trade all this signal that I'm calling. I'm going to drop it at entry point on my Telegram channel. You can also go there and check all those trades that I'm just analyzing that I took within the week. Those 2 trades, I also posted it there on my Telegram channel, and the people there are also happy trading together with me. So guys, this is it for the week. My top pairs to trade for the week is the NZDCHF and GBPCHF. I will also check more entries on this GBPCHF. GBPCHF came and hit me out on a break even, but I'm still bearish on this trade, so muchly bearish. I'm just waiting for an entry point around this area. If I see a good rejection and a chart pattern around this area, I will enter the sell and I will just join the trend. So what I normally do is that I always look for a trend. Whether the market is trending to the upside, I'll go to a higher time frame and check where the trend is heading to, where the market is heading, the structure of the market. So if it's heading up, I'll always look for the pullback. When the market is going in an uptrend, I'll always wait for a pullback to join the trend. Same scenario in a downtrend, you also wait for pullback before you can join the trend. So guys, thank you. This is it for this week. This is the pair I'm looking out for. You can see it here. So thank you for joining me. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys again on my video. Thank you.